Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Pepe update today. And Pepe is doing what? I don't even know what Pepe is doing right now, right? I don't know what to call this thing right over here. But if Pepe wants to come down and maybe drop a little bit here one more time to take the stop loss, make a proper retest, there could be a little bit of a throwback you can expect like this before you don't move to the upside. But let's actually observe the daily, because I'm more interested to see what the daily time frame really brings in. Now the daily time frame, however, does look like something that is making some reversal candles, because again you're making in a red candle with the green one, so almost a bullish divergence, which is not a very complete bullish divergence, but this is a little bit of a reversal pattern right now. So normally what you may expect today is probably even a push back up if this actually does work out well. So number one is that. Number two is maybe you have a bullish divergence, in my opinion, printing out, and you can see that the prices are pretty flat right now, flat exactly to the place where buying is ideal right now, right? So you can see that this is your previous historical RSI buying area, so that's a pretty good spot, in my opinion, to start to get into the entries one more time. Now kudos to the one who actually got this drop here. They entered very quickly. That was amazing. Now another thing is that also on the symmetrical triangle here, you're actually down at the very next level of support as well. So basically this can also be where you're starting to print in a new support and a new demand zone before you don't start to basically push to the upside. There's no any particular pattern right now that tells me if things are gonna go up. Maybe if I can just drop in a little bit of a trend line here, this is the only pattern we may have. Actually does look like another triangle that could possibly print out, and it looks something like this. So if we take this triangle into consideration, then you have time until 11th of June, until tomorrow, and eventually you may start to pop up, and then you may make a little bit of a push up here, and you can scalp. You can put in a stop loss. This is going to be 3% loss, and use a banking system, and you can get a 5%. So this is going to be like $50 if you're buying with $1,000, which is okay. $50 is pretty amazing when scalping happens, but then again you have to keep in mind $20 can go away from your pocket as well. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.